This is the letter E, which makes the sound. The words jet and net have the sound in the middle. Can you hear the in jet?
This is the letter E. The letter E makes the sound. Some words like hen have the sound. In the middle, tap the letter E and the hen to hear the sound.
Hen.
Keep it up. All of these things have the sound. In the middle, tap them all and listen to the sound. In the middle.
Dress. Jet. Hen. Vest.
Keep up the good work. Drag the things with the sound.
Hen.
In the middle to Sandy.
Pen.
Yay! You found the things with the sound. In the middle. Drag the things with the sound.
Dress.
In the middle to Rhea.
Web.
Yay! You found the things with the sound. In the middle.